Oh yeah, great.
Like just do
perfect.
high plus. That's the only time you need high plus.
Hello, hello, hello. What's all this then?
Hello mate, you here to make some money with photography?
Yes.
What I did was I went onto Facebook and I clicked on the events tab, and then I went all events that are happening next week, and then I went through a couple of them saying, hey, I'm a photographer, do you need your event to be photographed? And I just sent that out to a bunch of different people. Now they didn't know me and they didn't know what work I'd done before, so I'm actually surprised this worked, but it does, so you should go and try this out. But anyway, let's get back to the video. So pretty much a couple of days ago, I sent a message to those people on Facebook, and then I only sent a message to about 10 different people. So the fact that I got a job from it means that like it's not that hard to do. So yesterday this girl sent me an email saying, hi Liam, thank you for contacting us for possible photography. For the 3 hours of photography, I charged $300, which includes editing. So if you haven't done events before, $100 per hour is a very reasonable price. The event starts in 45 minutes, so we gotta drive there. So I just spoke to the girl who's managing this event, and she said that all the kids are gonna start here. So I'm gonna capture all of them as they're like starting the race. All the candid shots. I've got the 24-70 on, really good lens because I can get nice wide shots, and then I can zoom in and get the nice candid shots with the nice blurry background. I just realized that it's a color run, which means I have paint powder. So we're gonna be able to get some nice high shutter speed shots. That's actually one shot that I wanna get today. If we can find someone that has paint powder and we can get that nice sort of particle effect, if I can get that photo, I'll be happy.
We've also both just got new cameras as well. I hope they don't get covered in paint powder today.
Boy, I look like the biggest YouTuber right now with like blonde hair and some
and
colored...
a bandana.
Oh my god.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my...
I've got quite a few photos just like walking around of like just people, candid photos, people playing different games, talking to different people, family photos, just all that sort of stuff. That's pretty much the start covered. That's like the start of the race. I got everyone like sprinting and stuff. Now I think we'll head up quickly and follow them. Come with me.
Oh yeah, great.
Like just do
perfect.
High plus. That's the only time you need high plus. I'm thinking about swapping to the 105mm now.
Yeah, 100%. If you shoot from up there the next run.
Yeah. Doing events like this is actually pretty fun, especially when you got your mate here. Like, we're just gonna split the profit today.
Yeah.
So that's another way. Like, if you want to enjoy event photography a bit more, just bring your mate along. You can both help each other work, and you just split the profit. Event photography, cool. Paint powder at event photography. It's like, what do you mean? As you saw, like, it's so easy to get these jobs. Like, I literally...
Sorry, I forgot we were working.
Yeah, I know. I didn't think today was like working at all.
1 in 10 people, in Liam's case, got back to him. So if you messaged 100 people with your little portfolio, just LinkedIn or whatever, if you just set up a website.
Dude, I didn't have a portfolio.
So they just...
We came home, we edited them up. Literally took me 20 minutes because they were all the same lighting during the day. When you're doing these sorts of events, I like to just keep the edits simple. Like, this is the before and this is the after. Just nice, simple. Then I wrote up an invoice using an online invoice creator, which was super easy. Then I just said, hey, like, here are the photos, follow the Google Drive link to access them, and that's it. It's as simple as that. If you're sitting watching this right now and you're a photographer and you want to make some money this weekend or this week or wherever, after school, after work, do this method, because I just made this up. I don't know if anyone else knows about this, so take advantage of it while you can.
If you want to see like anything else or you have any recommendations, leave it down below.
Yeah, leave a comment. And we'll
get back to it.
We'll get back to it. But yeah, that's pretty much all for today's video. If you did like it,
Leave a like down below. Help me out by hitting subscribe. Help Liam out by hitting subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you've got anything else.
Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I really want you to go out and make some money. So if you do, let me know on Instagram at 7thera, and maybe even let Mike know at North Borders. That's all for today's video. As always, don't think,
just do.
Blaze like mini Mishi, my serving up every single plate. The hottest in the season, even summer looks away. Cause I got something to prove. I'm here cause I pay my dues. So please tell me something new. I'm in the